I'm sitting in a 2008 Ford Fusion. We have no key. We are going to program a IKT key in. Right here, this is an original key, has a dust cover on it. And we're also going to pull the keypad code. So we're going to do the keypad code first.
Your oldest Easter beach.
We're going to go into Ford, USA, System, Remote, Type 6. The ignition is on. There's our keypad code. After this, you need to turn the machine off. Turn it back on. Now we're going to go and do our key programming. Okay. Now this is a Pat's Ford vehicle, but we're going to use the bypass. We have the smart dongle attached. We're going to use CAN 5 to do the bypass. And we're only going to do one key, just add a key. Ford, USA, by System, Pat's 5. Keys on. Special functions. Keys programmed in the memory. 2. There'll be 3 when we're done. Add key. Yes. Yes. Okay, success. Turn the machine off. Take the key out. Here's our key. There we go. Everything is good. Just that quick.